Hola, hello, I am Pepe the King Prono Guy.
Oh, that's so f***ing cool. And that's how we completely destroy a powerboard on a Leader 120. Nice.
Hey everybody, and welcome to the channel. This is Pepe Prawns, your host at the Quadcopter Review, and today is May 31st, which is the day I said I'd be announcing the winner of the Quad Labs Flosstyle frame that I was giving away from that review. So we're going to go ahead, get our video here, and go into our random picker and find ourselves a winner. Now, first thing, if you've not seen me do this before, what we do is we plug in our URL for our video, and it's going to scan the comments. It's going to take away duplicates, which is why I say only comment once, and it is going to go ahead and scan. It's going to find 68 comments in there. Let's take a look at the video and see what it's going to say we got for comments. It says 69, but I have commented in there, and likely the duplication is removing myself from it, so I don't think we had anybody screw up this time. Hopefully you didn't, but let's go ahead and head back, and what we're going to do is we smash this little start button, and round she goes, and where she stops, and nobody knows. Going to pick a winner, and who do we got? We've got Adam Northwest. So I click out from here, check out Adam. So like I said, I'm always going to verify you actually are one of my subscribers. We're going to go here, we're going to smash the channels button on his thing, and blam, there we are. We're actually right up top in his list, so confirmed he is a subscriber. So Adam Northwest is our winner. So Adam, I am going to be sending you a private message here in YouTube. You'll find it up here in the right hand corner when it happens. I'm going to send you an email address to email me your first name, last name, your physical mailing address where you can receive this so I can ship this out to you ASAP, maybe tomorrow, Friday. If not, it'll be Monday, but I usually do it rather quickly, 2 to 3 days, so you'll have it pretty fast. So that being said, anybody who didn't win, don't panic. We've got 2 giveaways going on. If you're new and watching this video, we've got other videos given away right now. We've got the X-Lite, we got the Dark Knight, and we'll have other things coming up as well. A little interesting fact for you guys, I actually posted on RC forums just a simple little, hey guys, check out my channel. Here's the link, you know, put a link in there, no videos or anything. And here is... I'm giving away an X-Lite, right? Well, interesting enough, I got banned from it, from RC groups. So I find it interesting that a person who's giving away stuff from their hard-earned money, not asking for Patreon, not selling you anything, not anything other than contributing to this hobby and to the community, would get banned for something like that, and it's pretty sad. So if you would, like the video, subscribe, tell all your friends, communicate the word any way you can about my channel. People really do win on this. This is our 3rd or 4th, or God, I don't even know how many giveaways, but people are always winning here, and I do my best. So happy flying, and continue to watch.